See the waste you throw around, the litter you spread around. Have you ever thought about what happens to the waste generated by you? Well, here is the answer. In this documentary, we are going to show you the waste management process which occurs on a large scale. This is Ramki Enviro Engineers Limited, the unit which deals with all the Hyderabad city's garbage. Initially, the garbage is dumped in by GHMC lorries, which is later weighed and dried for about a week to remove the moisture. Then, the waste is fed into the pre-sorting section. Here, the trommel separates the particles on the basis of size. The waste gets divided into plus 70 mm and minus 70 mm groups. That is, the particles which are above 70 mm and below 70 mm in size get separated. Initially, this is carried out and made into heaps of size 65 meters by 30 meters by 4 meters. This process is called the windrow management. For 30 days, this heap is left for aerobic decomposition. This waste is led into the monsoon section, where the particles are again sieved into minus 20 mm and plus 20 mm groups. The minus 20 mm particles are further laid into another sieve which separates minus 4 mm and plus 4 mm particles. Here, these minus 4 mm particles are the ready products which are packed into bags and transported to farms as organic manures. Now comes the turn of plus 70 mm particles, which are led to the shredder, which crushes the waste into uniform size of 150 mm. Then the air density separation occurs. The lighter particles thus obtained are of combustible nature and thus are supplied to cement factories, which use this as an alternate fuel to the coal. And the heavier particles are sent to the manufacturing of pipes. Also, proper hygienic measures are undertaken over here.
Yeah, my name is Srinivas. I am the project in charge for this processing and disposal facility at Jawahar Nagar. And this is the alone facility for the entire city of Hyderabad, which receive the waste from all around Hyderabad. And we initially receive the waste, and initially the waste will go to the weighbridge, and after weighment, the waste will go to the tipping floor, and where we will keep the waste for about 7 days to drain off any moisture from the waste. We have deployed a machine called trommel. Trommel is nothing but a sieve which will separate the waste by means of size actually, where we will divide the waste into into two streams. The waste will be kept on the window platform for about 30 days, and the waste will be heaped in the form of heaps of size 65 meter by 30 meter by 4 meter height, and after that the waste will be turned weekly once to get air as well as the moisture from the atmosphere. This minus 4 mm particle is called compost, and that is meeting the FCO standards, and the compost is nothing but a soil enricher, and mostly used for farming in Karnataka as well as in Andhra Pradesh, and where we have the tie-up with some fertilizer companies named Balaji agencies as well as Coromandel, Nagarjuna, Kripco. We are selling this compost for as a soil enricher to the farmers. This air-blown material consists of mostly of combustible nature that will be supplied to the cement plants, and cement plants are using this material as alternate fuel to the coal, and these are the two processes followed in Jawahar Nagar, and we produce two byproducts, namely compost as well as RDF.
And this is the process of waste management on a large scale. As the citizens of Hyderabad, let's start keeping our surroundings clean and thus making our city more beautiful. Thank you for watching this video.